Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to make this heart-shaped pendant and earring set. It's super easy to make with this easy technique. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you want to know where I buy all the materials, the link is in the description. I bought them from the Temu app. If you want to download the Temu app, use my code for an extra discount. You'll find the code in the description box as well. Now, let's get to the material. 4 mm Bicone beads, 4 mm golden beads, jump rings, 0.30 mm nylon wire. First, pick up 4 Bicone beads, bring them down and tie a knot. Pass the tail through one bead and cut the excess. Now, pass the needle through the next bead. Pick up 2 Bicone beads and 1 golden bead. Then pass it back through the same Bicone bead. Now pass the needle from the next Bicone bead and pass the needle from the side Bicone bead. Now pick up 3 Bicone beads and pass it back through the same Bicone bead. This will create the next corner of the heart. Now pass the needle from the center golden bead, then through the down bead, and then come to the center Bicone bead down. Now pick up 3 beads and pass it back through the same center bead. This will create the bottom point of the heart. Now just pass the needle through from all the corners to connect all the corners. Now tie a few knots, pass through the next bead and cut the excess. Now take the jump ring, pass it through the golden bead, and then add one more jump ring. Secure both jump rings, and then you can add it to the chain with the jump ring. The locket is ready. I made the earrings before that. I used 3 beads for the earrings and 4 beads for the pendant. This jewelry set is truly beautiful. It's so elegant and stylish, and as you saw, it's very easy to make. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will surely reply. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.